Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Makaz from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a MEMORYDEX that I'm making for an entry into Kathy's favorite things. She's doing a giveaway and all she's wanting is an ATC card or a MEMORYDEX card. She doesn't want any extra goodies. I will leave her link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go check her out and get more information on her challenge. It does end on February 28th. Yeah, so this is my MEMORYDEX I made. I did get this MEMORYDEX die from Andy's store, I believe, on AliExpress. And it is Maggie themed. I did get some of this from a crafty pen pal, like this banner that I backed it with, this layered flower, the swan. Everything else is from my stash. These little resin flowers, and the I think these are from the Dollar Tree, the gold foiled stickers with the sentiments. I just added some tulle to give the feather impression of the swan's wings. And then I also had this in my stash as well. So this is my MEMORYDEX card. It does make a pocket. I did add a Velcro piece and then just this hello. And then my information is tucked in the pocket here. So yeah. And then like this is Maggie paper. So yeah. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please like and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider sharing this with a friend. You can find more videos here and here. And until my next video, shakas!